Hi, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I'm so happy you're here for the summertime tea party collaboration. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and me, Jennifer at Home. I'm going to be using these beautiful blue placemats that I just purchased at Target from the Hearth and Hand collection. My friend really loves butterflies, so I'm going to be using these beautiful butterfly plates with hydrangeas and wildflowers. For my centerpiece, I've just used a white flower vase and I've put some beautiful yellow daisies. They coordinate very nicely with the yellow flowers on the dinner plates. I'm so excited about today. My friend has been traveling on vacation and I cannot wait to catch up. So today she's coming over and I'm going to make some homemade chicken wraps that are going to be grilled chicken with a side salad. It's going to be such a nice time to spend together and catch up. I also have some peanut butter cookies here. They happen to be her favorite. And today we're going to be having homemade lemonade. I just took it out of the refrigerator and it's nice and cold. It only took minutes to put this beautiful table setting together. My friend's favorite color is blue, so I know she'll really enjoy this. Now there's only one thing left to do. I need to get that chicken grilled to make the grilled chicken wraps and put the salad together. I had so much fun participating in this collaboration. Be sure to check out all of the other channels. They'll be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.